Well, this is the first ever Crack the Sky video. So this is a video production. Let's Crack the Sky Productions, obviously, because that's what we do, cracking the sky. So why am I here? Why am I walking down this street? So I'm out just on my walk. It's always good to get a bit of exercise. Keeps the brain going. But really, the reason this video is getting done is my first ever video for my new channel, Crack the Sky. Just trying to promote more financial literacy, give people confidence to try new things, set their goals, achieve their goals. Yeah, we'll upload this and we'll keep sending a few more different things out and see how we go, build on it from here. Thanks, bye.